Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A15 and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. This thing comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten one on the ends and it will work just as well. And also, if you have some kind of casing on your device, take it off. I do have one, so let's just eat it out. And let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding. Once you push it in, the tray does pop out and you can yank it out completely. And here you have access for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So you can place them each on their individual tray, like so, and from there insert it back into the device. And it should automatically start working. Just give it a second. There we go, there's the pin for the SIM card. So the SIM card is working and SD card should be working as well. Let me quickly find storage so I can show you. Oh, there we go. So there's the SD card. So that is how you insert your SIM and SD into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.